Greetings, dear listeners. Today we're diving into a topic that truly influences our daily lives: effective time management. It's like the secret sauce to nailing every goal we set for ourselves. It brings to mind an old joke about time management, you know? Everyone claims they're busy, but what they often mean is they're simply not organized.
Yeah, that's so relatable. I often wonder, am I genuinely busy? Or am I just, hopeless at managing my time? Like, what even separates the two, right?
Exactly. So let's jump right into our first key point: staying within your allotted time. Prioritizing your main points is crucial. Just remember to avoid those delightful tangents we all love. It's similar to steering a ship. If you veer off course, you might just sail into uncharted waters.
Right, uncharted waters, huh? Like when you begin talking about your weekend plans and next thing you know you've told an entire saga about your cat's bizarre obsession with, I don't know, cardboard boxes? How do you, stay focused on the essential bits?
Such a fantastic example. The trick is to have your main points lined up mentally or written. Think of them as your compass so you can glance back whenever you feel adrift. It helps you refocus and maintain the audience's attention. You know, much like cooking, if you add an array of spices without a plan, you end up with a dish that's either flavorless or, frankly, a chaotic mess.
Cooking. I adore that analogy. Could you elaborate on how to effectively plan content for maximum impact? Like, do you actually allocate time for your intro and conclusion too?
Absolutely. Every minute must be intentional. Picture a classic structure. You want a riveting introduction that grabs attention, similar to how a chef showcases a beautifully plated dish. You need the audience invested from the get-go. Afterwards, you break down your content into the main points. It's akin to layering a lasagna, right? Each delightful layer adds depth, and then you finish with a robust conclusion that ties it all together.
Oh wow, a lasagna analogy, that's handmailvalkyrie. Rather brilliant. So like, how do you figure out how much time to allocate for each section? Is there a kind of formula for striking the right balance?
Great question. A general formula recommends roughly 10 to 20% for the introduction, 70 to 80% for the main content, and about 10% for your conclusion. But remember to tune into your audience. If they're engaged, consider extending your discussion a bit. It's just like adjusting the heat of your stove while cooking. If it's simmering beautifully, don't let it boil over.
Cook on demand, understood. But what happens if the audience starts yawning, say, halfway through? What do you do then?
That's when you have to adjust your pacing. It's like being a jazz musician. You improvise based on the audience's reactions. If they're nodding, go ahead and elaborate. If you see blank stares, pick up the pace or toss in a quick audience question to rouse them. It fosters engagement like an unexpected guest can enliven a lively gathering.
Oh, surprise guests. I love parties. So it's about being adaptable, like Paul wearing multiple hats? Whoa, that sounds like quite a few roles to juggle.
Precisely. You embody the roles of teacher, performer, and guide all at once. Just as you wouldn't wear a winter coat in scorching summer, you'll need to tailor your style to fit the occasion. Mastering that balance is fundamental to meeting every mark you strive to achieve.
Wow, all of this is coming together in my mind. So just to recap, like, we need to keep our focus, plan for impact, and adjust as necessary, right?
Spot on. It's all about engagement and maintaining the rhythm of dialogue. Each interaction is distinctive, and that's what makes it all so thrilling.
Phew, I'm buzzing with ideas now. Thank you.